Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I am very happy that you all are doing your English homework regularly and submitting on WhatsApp group. I have checked that you have done your lesson plan 1 nicely. Well done, my dear students. Keep it up. So, today we are going to start our new lesson plan 2. Before going to start, I am giving you a few instructions. Listen carefully, hold pen or pencil in your hand, write new words in your notebook and try to find the meanings of these words. Look at this paragraph. August Pullman has been homeschooled by his mother as he has had multiple surgeries throughout his childhood. Now 10 years old, he is admitted in 5th grade in Beecher Prep School to make experience his school life. In this extract from Wonder by R.J. Palacio, August talks about his family and himself. The second part of this extract is narrated by August's new friend Summer. What the narrator is saying in this passage? Narrator is saying August Pullman has been homeschooled. Homeschool means taught at home by his mother because he has had multiple surgeries during his childhood. When he became 10 years old, he got admission in Beecher Prep School in 5th grade to get the experience of school life. In this extract Wonder, written by R.J. Palacio, August talks about his family and himself, and in another part he is talking about his new friend Summer. Now pause the video here and answer the questions. What is the passage about? Is the main idea written in the passage? Think and write the answer of these questions in a rough notebook. The passage is about August Pullman. The main idea is not given in the passage. Details about August that he has been homeschooled by his mother helped us infer the main idea of the passage. अगस्त के बारे में जो हमें डिटेल्स दी गई हैं कि he has been homeschooled by his mother, that give us the main idea of the passage. So, today's learning outcome is to identify the main idea and key events from the story. We will read a story Wonder, and from this story we will find out the main idea and key events. To achieve this aim, we will follow an agenda. Firstly, questioning, then reading from book, after that discussion, number 4 fill-ups, and then I will give you homework. Now we will start reading. August, why I didn't go to school? I know I am not an ordinary 10-year-old kid. I mean sure, I do ordinary things. I eat ice cream. I ride my bike. I play ball. I have an Xbox. Stuff like that makes me ordinary, I guess, and I feel ordinary inside. But I know ordinary kids don't make other ordinary kids run away, screaming in playground. In this passage, August is saying that he knows why I didn't go to school because he thinks that he is an extraordinary child. But he is saying that as an ordinary kid, he can eat ice cream, ride bike and play football. But when the other children saw him, they ran from there and they started crying there because his face was strange. I know ordinary kids don't get stared at wherever they go, but I am kind of used to how I look by now. I know how to pretend I don't see the faces people make. We have all gotten pretty good At that sort of thing, me, mom, dad, and Vaya. He says that he knows he is not an ordinary kid because wherever he go, the children look at him and they made faces towards him. This thing his mother and his father and his sister knows very well. Actually, I take that back. Vaya's not so good at that. She can get really annoyed when people do something rude. Vaya does not seem means ordinary. She says she does, but if I were ordinary. वो कहता है कि आई कम बैक फ्रॉम देयर एंड बट वाया हिज सिस्टर वाया थिंक्स दैट ही इज़ एन ऑर्डनरी बॉय. She got sometimes she got annoyed with those people who looks who made faces at him. She wouldn't feel like she needs to protect me as much, and mom and dad that don't see as ordinary either. They see me as extraordinary. I think the only person in the world who realizes how old I am is me. In this passage, his mother and father also feels that he is not ordinary kid. He is an extraordinary. The only person those who realize कि he is an ordinary person is only one August himself. My name is August, by the way. I won't describe what I look like. Whatever you are thinking, it's probably worse. Next week I start 5th grade. Since I have never been to a real school, I am pretty much petrified. Now in this passage, August is saying, my name is August and I know what you are thinking about me कि why I didn't go to school because because my face is strange or I look strange. But this is not the real thing. He didn't go to school because of his surgeries. Now he will got admission in 5th class. People think I haven't gone to school because of the way I look, but it's not that. It's because of all the surgeries I have. 27 since I was born. That's why my parents decided it was better if I didn't go to school. As I told you earlier that many people think that he didn't go to school because he looked strange, but because of his surgery he didn't go to school because since birth he has had 27 surgeries. Now his parents has decided that he will not go to school. I am much stronger now, though the last surgery I had was 8 months ago and I probably won't have to have any more for another couple of years. In this passage he is saying my last surgery that he has undergone in last surgery 8 months ago, and now there will be no another more surgery in another couple of years. Mom homeschools me. She used to be a children's book illustrator. She draws really great fairies and mermaid. Her boy stuff isn't so hot though. I haven't seen her draw anything in a long time. I think she is too busy taking care of me and Vaya. He says कि mother homeschool me. Mother teaches him at home and she drew for him great fairies and mermaid. Mermaid means a sea creature, and her mother drawing was so good and she always busy in the taking care of August and his sister Vaya. I can't say I always wanted to go to school because that wouldn't be exactly true. What I wanted was to go to school, but only if I could be like every other kid going to school, have lots of friends and hang out after school and stuff like other students. He also wants to go to school and he wanted to make the new friends there. Now come to the questions. Pause the video here and write the answer of this question in rough notebook. How old was August? As an ordinary kid, which things August can do? How many members are there in August's family? Why didn't August go to school? August was 10 years old. As an ordinary kid, August can eat ice cream, ride bike and play ball. There are 4 members in August's family: Mom, Dad and his sister Vaya. August didn't go to school because he has had a lot of surgeries. Now think and answer, what are the key events in the story? इस स्टोरी में की इवेंट्स कौन से हैं? What do you think is the main idea of the story? What is the main idea of this story? Pause the video here and write the answer. August didn't go to school till grade 5. When he started to go to school, there he met with Jack and Summer and they became his friends. The main idea is friendship. With the help of his friends, August survived in the 5th grade and learned to love school. Now, my question is, how do we identify events of a story? हम एक स्टोरी में इवेंट्स को कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं? How do key events help us to identify the main idea? की इवेंट्स जो हैं हमें मेन आइडिया को फाइंड आउट करने में कैसे हेल्प करते हैं? थिंक एंड राइट द आंसर. Key events are the most important event of a story. These events affect the main characters in a significant way. The main idea is the central message of the story. To identify the main idea of the story, we will find a link between all the key events. Got my point? Now, my last question is, what would happen if Jack and Summer didn't come in August's life? If Jack and Summer didn't come in August's life, what would happen? Think and write the answer. Now, here is an exercise for assessment. This you have to write in your rough notebook. Fill in these blanks with one word. August knew he was not an dash kid. However, he dash ordinary. This was because he did things like other dash. When other children saw August for the first time, they were dash. Vaya, his sister felt she had to protect him from other people's dash. The problem with August was his dash face. It looked like that because he had had dash surgeries. Do this assessment. Now, this is time for the homework. Answer this question in a few words. What nickname did the kids in school give August? Why did Summer like to spend time with August? How did Summer's mother feel when she first saw August? What did Summer say that made August feel happy and proud? Think and write the answer of these questions. I hope you have understood this lesson plan too. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.